Thanks, Jordan. Now, Manchester High are still celebrating their historic hold on the ISA Girls Central Conference basketball title following an exciting 1917 win over many-time champion St. Elizabeth Technical in the final played at the Belleair High School court recently. Manchester ended the first half 12-8 after taking the first quarter 4-3 and the second 8-5. Stets rallied to take the third quarter 6-2 to pull level on 14 points heading into the final quarter. Manchester, however, regained the lead in the closing seconds of the match and held on for the victory. An emotional captain of Manchester High and tournament MVP, Kayela Walker, who is in her final year, said she had been waiting for the victory for 6 years.
Well, I've been waiting to have a team since second form. This is my last year of high school. There's really no better way than to close it out with a victory. We train on the holidays, we train on the weekends sometimes, and we put in a lot of work. So to come and to win the finals, I really couldn't ask for anything more.
And Damon Sullivan is Manchester High's coach.
Well, I think this is the #1 championship over the years. This is my first female title. We have worked hard. This is basically the sum of 2 years of work. So it is great to end it with a championship. Well, one of the best things about it is I have no netballers on my team. I have strictly basketball players, so they're not. I don't have to wait on them to play another sport. So we train all year round. So it is good.
Meanwhile, Carteret College held on for a 24-23 third-place finish over Christiana High in the day's earlier game. The All-Ireland champions will be known on Tuesday following the playoffs at the Manchester High School courts in Mandeville.